10 foods we all have been eating the wrong way till now. One kiwi. Instead of wasting time and efforts in peeling the fruit, a better idea would be to squeeze the fruit gently, so as to allow the pulp to be spooned out easily, without needing to peel it. 2. Ice cream. When the ice cream is hard and a scooper is not of much help, it is better to cut it with the help of a knife. The pieces come out even and neater, and obviously you save a lot of time. 3. Noodles. Take a fork and twirl some noodles in circles around it. This ensures a limited quantity, ready to be put into your mouth without falling off the fork. 4. Cupcake with frosting. The right way to eat a cupcake is to remove the bottom layer and place it upside down on the frosting, just like a sandwich. 5. Banana. Find the end of the banana opposite the stem and pinch the tip off. Peel it and eat it. 6. Cooking eggs, keeping the yolk intact. Crack the egg into a bowl, dice capsicum rings and deseed the middle part, keeping it empty. Heat a skillet and smear it with a little oil. Now place the capsicum rings on the skillet and pour the egg gently in the middle. Let it cook on slow flame and your dish is ready to eat. No mess, no fuss. 7. Crispy French toast. To make the French toast crispier, roll the French toast in toasted cereal flakes on both sides. Enjoy. 8. Dunking Oreos. Why to spoil your hands, when you can easily hold your Oreos with forks? Just insert the fork lightly into the creamy layer and voila, no more milky hands. 9. Popsicle eating made easy. Don't you think this should have been taught to us when we were young? Just place a paper cupcake holder under the popsicle and you are done. Now that you know about this trick, your popsicle will no longer melt in your hands or anywhere. 10. The correct way to eat Toblerone. Well, now you know. We all have been eating Toblerone the wrong way all our lives. Basically, we have to lightly push our thumb against the top of the triangle segment of the chocolate, and not the other way round. It really is so simple that it hurts to feel that we didn't know about this earlier. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.